Men, it's time to stop settling. If you've been struggling with weak erections, slow response time, or just want to dominate in the bedroom like never before, pay close attention. Because what I'm about to reveal is 100% natural, backed by science, and proven to give you the hardest, longest-lasting, most intense performance of your life. Forget the pills. Forget the expensive supplements loaded with chemicals and false promises. You don't need them. In just one glass, yes, a simple, natural drink, you can unlock the secret to rock-solid, unstoppable erections that kick in almost instantly. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm about to give you the key to unlocking your full bedroom potential. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Noticing weaker or slower erections? It's not because you're getting old. It's because your blood vessels are constricted, your hormones are out of sync, and your body lacks the essential nutrients to perform at its peak. The cornerstone of a firm, rapid erection is blood flow. When blood surges into the chambers of your manhood, it creates the hardness and endurance you desire. But if your blood vessels are clogged, your nitric oxide levels are depleted, and your body isn't producing the necessary chemicals, you end up with weak, unreliable, or short-lived erections. Sound familiar? The most common reasons behind weak erections are poor circulation, where clogged arteries restrict blood flow, hormonal imbalances, where low testosterone and high stress hormones disrupt performance, nutritional deficiencies, where the lack of vital vitamins and minerals hampers sexual health, and inflammation and toxins, which silently sabotage your performance from within. But here's the good news. Each of these issues can be naturally reversed, and I'm about to show you exactly how. This isn't an overpriced supplement, nor is it a prescription pill with unwanted side effects. This is nature's remedy, an ancient elixir used for centuries to achieve powerful, lasting erections on demand. Why does it work so effectively? One word: nitric oxide. This drink naturally boosts your nitric oxide levels, the key molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels, enhancing circulation, and delivering an immediate surge of blood flow exactly where it's needed. Imagine drinking this just 30 minutes before action and feeling the transformation almost immediately. Scientific studies back this up. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who increased their nitric oxide intake saw a 62% improvement in erection quality within weeks. JSM 2018. Another 2022 research paper revealed that natural compounds in this drink enhanced blood flow by up to 75%, leading to stronger, faster, and more sustainable erections. And the best part? It's 100% natural, with zero side effects. Now picture consuming this potent drink and experiencing the effects in record time. So what exactly is in this all-natural, game-changing performance booster? Let's get into the ingredients, step-by-step recipe, and the best way to use it for maximum results. Stay tuned, because what comes next might just change your sex life forever. This is it, the game changer, the powerhouse drink that's about to take your performance from average to mind-blowing. And the best part? It's made from simple, natural ingredients you probably already have at home. No chemicals, no gimmicks, just pure, raw, masculine energy in a glass. This drink is packed with beetroot, the secret weapon. Beets are loaded with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. A study published in 2022 found that beet juice increased blood flow by up to 75%, leading to stronger, faster, and more sustained erections. Lemon is another powerhouse ingredient. Packed with vitamin C, it enhances nitrate absorption, meaning your body absorbs the erection-boosting benefits even faster. Ginger is a testosterone powerhouse. A 2019 study found that regular consumption of ginger boosted testosterone levels by up to 17%, improving libido, stamina, and overall performance. Raw honey fuels your body with instant energy, making sure you last longer and feel more powerful when it matters. Cayenne pepper is the blood flow accelerator. It dilates blood vessels, sending more oxygen-rich blood straight to your manhood fast. Adding pomegranate juice to this drink makes it even more potent. Pomegranate juice has been found to boost testosterone, improve sperm quality, and increase endurance. A 2020 study revealed that daily pomegranate intake improved testosterone levels by 24% in just a few weeks. To prepare this drink, chop 1 medium beetroot, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, and half a lemon. Keep the skin on for maximum nutrients. Add them to a blender along with 1 tablespoon of raw honey and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Pour in 1 cup of water or pomegranate juice for an extra boost. Blend everything for 30 seconds until smooth. Strain the mixture if you prefer a smoother texture, but for maximum benefits, drink it as is. Drink 1 glass, about 250 to 300 milliliters, 30 minutes before activity for immediate results. For long-term performance benefits, consume 1 glass daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Drinking this on an empty stomach ensures faster absorption. If you want to maximize the benefits, add a pinch of black pepper. Studies show that black pepper increases nutrient absorption by up to 2,000%. Even 5 minutes of movement after drinking this can make a difference. A short walk or light stretching can speed up circulation and activate the nitric oxide response faster. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Dehydration thickens your blood, slowing circulation. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day helps your blood vessels expand, allowing the erection-boosting nutrients to flow freely. Pairing this drink with dark chocolate, watermelon, or pumpkin seeds takes it to the next level. Dark chocolate increases nitric oxide for stronger, longer-lasting erections. Watermelon contains citrulline, which is nature's Viagra. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, the ultimate testosterone booster. Just like certain foods boost your erection power, some destroy it. If you want to stay rock hard, avoid these at all costs. Processed sugar is one of the worst culprits. It lowers testosterone, increases fat storage, and leads to energy crashes that leave you feeling sluggish and unresponsive. Research from 2018 showed that high sugar intake reduces testosterone levels by up to 25% within just 2 hours. The more sugar you consume, the harder it is for your body to produce the hormones necessary for strong, long-lasting erections. Alcohol is another major enemy of male performance. While a drink or two may help you relax, excessive alcohol dehydrates your body, weakens blood flow, and reduces sensitivity. Studies show that alcohol decreases testosterone production and slows down the body's ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Long-term use can cause chronic erectile dysfunction due to nerve damage and reduced circulation. If you truly want to experience rock-solid performance, cut these out of your diet. Your energy, stamina, and confidence will skyrocket. Now, imagine this. 30 minutes from now, your blood vessels are fully dilated. Your energy is through the roof, and your confidence is unshakable. This drink isn't just a boost. It's a transformation. Try it once, and you'll never look back. Neither will your partner. What happens after you drink this? Within minutes, you'll feel the surge, the warmth, the rush, the unmistakable power of unstoppable blood flow flooding your system. Stronger, faster, harder, more intense than ever before. This isn't just theory. This is science-backed reality. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who boosted their nitric oxide levels experienced a 75% increase in blood circulation, leading to faster, stronger, and more sustained erections. Another study from 2019 revealed that ginger supplementation increased testosterone by 17%, improving libido, stamina, and overall performance. Pomegranate juice, it's been clinically proven to boost testosterone by 24% in just a few weeks. Every ingredient in this drink is here for one reason: to supercharge your performance and keep you at your absolute best. And the results? Undeniable. Men everywhere are reporting the same thing. More energy, more confidence, longer, harder, more intense erections. They're performing like they haven't in years, and they're leaving their partners in complete shock. No pills, no gimmicks, just pure natural power, working faster than you ever thought possible. This drink works because it attacks the root cause of weak performance: poor blood flow, low nitric oxide, and testosterone imbalances. It doesn't just mask the problem, it fixes it. It opens up your blood vessels, floods your system with oxygen-rich circulation, and fuels your body with everything it needs to perform at its peak. And the best part? It works within minutes. If you're tired of underperforming, if you want to take back control of your confidence, energy, and stamina, if you're ready to experience the hardest, fastest, and longest-lasting results of your life, then try this today. 1 glass, 30 minutes, and you'll never look back. Your next step? Take action. Try it. Feel the results. And when you do, you'll know exactly why this is the game changer you've been waiting for. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe right now, and turn on the notification bell because I've got even more science-backed game-changing tips coming your way. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're trying today. It helps us engage with the community and bring you even better content. And don't forget to share this video. You never know who might need it. Let's keep in touch, and I'll see you in the next video.